Here at Alpha, we are more than just a proprietary trading firm. We do everything within our power to help you pass the evaluation stage. Because when you profit, we profit. If you are a trader who can demonstrate an ability to react to the markets, manage risk, and most importantly, generate profits, then we are looking for you to join our community of traders. What do I do next? Choose from one of our challenges, either 50K, 100K, or 200K. Then all you have to do is pass our two-step evaluation. Phase 1. We supply you with your login details to access your trading account. Here, you will have to make 8% profit on your chosen challenge amount. So, if you have chosen the $100,000 challenge, you have to reach $108,000 within 30 days, making sure you trade at least once a day for a minimum of 10 days. Then, you progress to Phase 2. Here, we reset your account. Now you only have to make 4% profit within 60 days. In this example, the account would be reset to $100,000 and you will have to reach $104,000. Again, making sure you trade at least once a day for a minimum of 10 days. Once you have passed these two phases, we will then issue a trader's agreement between us and you that is signed by both parties. Then we will supply you with a fully funded live trading account where you keep 80% of your profits. You will have become an alpha trader. You can check out our requirements for max daily loss and max drawdowns below in our comparison table. Why choose Alpha Capital? We understand that many other companies have strict rules that make it difficult to pass, which is why we at Alpha have set our profit targets to 8% and 4% in each of the phases to help you achieve success. Also, we charge 0% commission on all trades, which is rare. None of our competitors offer this. You can also hold your trades over the weekend and trade through news events, which is huge. If you are a serious trader but feel you have been held back due to a lack of funds, then we are here to help you achieve the success that you deserve. Choose your challenge and get started today. You bring the talent, we supply the funds.